Hi there, guys.
Hi, welcome
Welcome to
our
our channel, Silver Fanatic. Guys, today's
Yes,
video, it's another unboxing, guys.
yes,
We're just doing another unboxing of bullion coins, guys. This is the order, guys, we've been waiting for.
yes,
Yes, guys, we're just saying it's another unboxing now, guys. We're not saying first or second or what, because it's been a couple of unboxing previously before this one,
yes,
so we just say another unboxing, guys. We're just gonna unbox it in front of you guys. Okay, just arrived today. We also don't know what's in this purchase because we made a couple of orders. So this is one of them that just came. Okay. All right, guys, this is the package, you guys. Okay, that we will unbox.
Yes, with you guys.
With you guys, it's the one in front of you guys. Okay. All right, guys, let's go for it. I think we'll just try and open it here from the top. I think we need to get some tools to open these packets. We just promise on our unboxing. On our next unboxing, we'll have a proper tools, as we promised with the gloves.
Yeah. Level.
We did provide it. We did keep up with our promise. So next time, I won't be opening with the scissor. I will be using maybe a proper knife to open the boxes.
Yeah, sure.
We will look for it, okay? Because it's very difficult to open with these ones. Okay. Okay, guys, this is the box. Okay, I assume this is what's inside. This is the first box. Okay, it's what I found inside. And this, okay. Yeah, that will be it, guys. This is what came out, guys, okay, from the box. Okay, I'll start with this one, the one that's already open, guys. We're just gonna unbox this one. Let me just quickly do this one because already it is open. We have a clue of what might be it.
What which order?
Yes, guys, okay. So I think I scratched it now. As I've just mentioned, we need tools, okay? Yeah, guys, okay, this is just the box. We bought this box, guys, because there were just a reason for us buying this box. We just want to put our first silver bullion coin, the one that we started with, the first Kruger. So, and keep it as a
memory box.
Yes, and keep it as a memory, guys. Okay, all right. We just gonna put that bullion there onto that. Okay, that's the reason we purchased that. Empty box. Okay, all right, guys. Okay, this is another package, you guys. Okay, all right. Let's just see what's inside. Okay, let's hope I don't scratch anything now.
Okay.
Let's hope. Okay, I'll just try and be careful. Okay, guys, we're seeing something. Okay, guys, it's 2 Kruger Rands, guys. Okay, it's the first one, first Kruger Rand.
Nice.
Okay, guys, let me just show it to you. I'll just put it there. Let me show you another one. This is another one, guys. Another Kruger Rand, guys. Okay, this is another one, guys. Let's take a closer look.
It's very nice.
Let's just see close up, guys, so we can inspect the condition of the coin and see how it is. Okay, guys, nice. The nicest thing with these coins, okay,
they come with a capsule.
They come in a capsule, guys, already, so it saves us a hassle as we are creating a stack that contains the capsules, guys,
and that goes in the tube.
That goes into the tube, guys. Yeah, so since we're creating the type of a tube that contains a capsule, so it makes things easier for us. As you can see, it's already came already in a capsule, so it makes things very easy for us. Okay, the first one was in a immaculate condition. It was okay, it was nice. Okay, and the package as well, guys, was nicely packed. Yes, guys, it was really nicely packed.
True.
Yeah, extremely. Okay, guys, these guys, they keep I won't say
Us.
I won't say they stepping up. They've already stepped up their mark, guys, okay, from our first order. So they just keeping up.
We were too easy to judge.
Yeah, so I think as we mentioned on that video with those ones that we were impressed, we want to give them another chance. This is by the way, we bought this from African Bullion.
Yes.
Guys, they are located in Hillcrest. If you are interested in Hillcrest, guys, South Africa, Durban. Okay,
I'm gonna leave the link.
Okay, we'll just because of the quality then the improvements, we will leave a link below, guys. Okay, we will leave a link below because of the progress and all that, guys. I think they deserve for you to purchase bullion if you are interested in them, guys, since they're producing quality nowadays. Okay,
especially if you are around, they much quicker.
Yeah, the delivery is much quicker, guys. It's much quicker. It's comparing to the ones that we made prior this order, and this order came first. So judging from that, I would say they're much quicker because we're still waiting for order which we purchased before this one, and this one arrived first. So yeah, therefore it's African Bullion, they're from Hillcrest, guys. Okay, all right. Okay, guys, I think today's video was just about this unboxing, guys. Okay, because we are creating a stack, a Kruger, a stack that contains Kruger rents, guys. And we'll do an update on it.
Yes, that's true.
Okay, guys. Thanks for watching.
Thank you for subscribing.
Okay, guys, and yeah, thanks to our subscribers and the people that commented, guys. It means a lot. We really appreciate. Okay, guys, it's motivational to us as well.
Yeah,
okay.
True.
Yes, guys, thanks a lot. Just unboxing for today. Please like and subscribe, and hit and press the notification bell.
Yes, all right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.